Hello, this is Ausome here, and welcome to my lab. Beautiful Brynna's here too. And today we're going to crush a plastic bottle by using some cold water. Very cold ice water.
The ingredients we will need are a plastic bottle, some cold ice water,
Very cold.
and some very, very hot water.
Very hot. Now we're going to experiment. Take your plastic bottle, open the cap, and then take your hot water and then pour it into.
Oh, it's getting so hot. Ow, 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 ow.
Should we pour all of it?
Ow, ow, ow.
That's enough.
Ow, ow, ow.
You can take it off now. And then let it sit for a few moments. Now pour the hot water out. And it is hot. And then put that cap on fast. I mean right now. Lickety split. Then place it in the cold, icy water.
The bottle collapsed.
It crushes it like a giant fist. This is the bottle when it got collapsed.
Oh, it's so cold.
Welcome to Aidyn's Science Part.
When we put the hot water in the bottle and let it sit for a few moments, some of the hot water turned to water vapor, which we trapped in the bottle when we closed the lid. Water vapor is the gaseous form of water and takes up more space than liquid water, which means it takes less water to fill the bottle when it is a gas. When we put the bottle into the ice water, the water vapor inside cooled and turned back into liquid water, but when it did, all the room the water vapor was taking up was now empty. This made it so that the pressure of the atmosphere could push in on the bottle to fill the emptiness and crushing the bottle. Like, share, and subscribe to all of our other videos. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. If you haven't watched the geode, click it right down in the left corner right over there.
And here's some geodes.
Bye. Hope you have an awesome day.
Don't do a what?
Like that thing.
What thing?
Like that extra part we did. Like we did on the first hair and play the water thing video.
What?
Like the thing, like the extra part of a video.
What about it? You don't want me to do one?
I don't want you to do one.
Why? Why are you eating the ice?
Because I like it.
Okay.
Are you doing it?
No.
Let me see.